Claro eSIM is a convenient choice for international travelers, but there are some important things you need to know before making the switch. In this video, we'll break down 12 key points that will help you decide if it's the right option for your needs and how it compares to other eSIM providers on the market. First up, Claro eSIM allows you to easily switch between mobile networks in various countries without the need for a physical SIM card. This is a huge advantage for frequent travelers, compared to traditional SIM cards that need to be replaced every time you travel. Next thing, Claro supports multiple countries, offering coverage in over 140 destinations worldwide. However, it's important to note that not all countries may have the same level of service, which can affect your data speeds or coverage. Always double-check Claro's coverage map before you go. The third thing to consider is the activation process. While Claro makes it relatively easy to activate your eSIM through the app, some users report delays or minor issues with activation, especially when traveling to more remote locations. If you're comparing Claro with other eSIM providers, many competitors have quicker or smoother activation experiences. The fourth thing is pricing. Claro's eSIM plans can be pricier than some alternatives, especially for short-term use. If you're traveling for longer periods, Claro can still be cost-effective, but you may want to check out competitors for better short-term rates. Next, Claro offers data plans that range from small data packages for a few days to larger packages that last for weeks. However, these plans often lack flexibility in terms of customizing data allowances, so if you need to adjust your plan on the go, other providers may offer more options. The sixth thing is coverage for high-speed data. Claro has strong 4G coverage in many major cities, but when compared to other eSIM providers, some may offer 5G data in select areas, which is a huge plus if you're looking for faster speeds. Next thing, the Claro eSIM app is user-friendly, but it's not always as intuitive as some of the competition. It's easy to manage your plan, check your balance, and monitor data usage, but expect a learning curve if you're new to eSIM technology. Some other eSIM providers have apps that are more polished and easier to navigate. The eighth thing is support. Claro does offer customer service, but it can be difficult to reach someone, especially during high-demand travel seasons. If you value customer support, you might find some other eSIM providers have faster and more responsive service. The ninth thing is the ease of switching between networks. Claro allows you to switch between supported networks without removing the eSIM, but this feature can sometimes be a bit glitchy. Other eSIM providers often have more seamless switching experiences, especially when you're crossing borders frequently. Next, Claro offers a great solution for travelers who need local number availability. However, if you're after a local phone number in multiple countries at once, Claro might not be your best bet, as its local number feature is limited. Some competitors offer more flexible local number options. The 11th thing to consider is Claro's compatibility. While Claro works with most modern smartphones, it doesn't support all devices, particularly some older models. Make sure your phone is compatible before purchasing, as some other eSIM providers have broader device support. Finally, Claro offers a great eSIM option for regular travelers, but if you want a more reliable and cost-effective option, you might want to check out our recommended solution. It's a great alternative that provides more flexibility and features at a better value, plus you can try it for free to see if it's a better fit for your needs. In conclusion, Claro eSIM is a solid choice for international travel, but it may not be the best for everyone. If you want a better option with more features and flexibility, make sure to check out our recommended solution.